Go ahead.
Get up close. I'm going to give you a quick show of how you got to take these apart. It's a little bit time consuming. You just got to get the glue out of everything. It's all rotted and dried out and stuck in there. And you just walk down through it and you tap it off. The other one we took off a few minutes ago, it's sitting over there. Same exact process. Tap that corner out so tab comes straight out. And if you see the tabs on both sides go in, you got a little tiny screw that goes in and locks this end in. Now this part, this is 10 minutes of beating on it, slowly pulling it out so you don't bend the outside framing. I'm gonna give you a little bit there. Walk right down it. Oh, sorry. Just grab the framing and hold it by that, like this part, and you can get some leverage. Because the whole thing's moving, it's just wedged in there. It's still that corner, ain't it? There you go. My hands just don't grip that well. See, it's still that corner. Alright, this one's a lot more stubborn. They're all a bitch. You see how this glass was, that's why I got him using. I mean, it'll come off in pretty good sized pieces, and I don't want to get skewered by it. But this is our pattern for new glass. We only need one, but you can see we got the other one out a little while ago. We got both of these out, just got to clean it all out. We're getting ready to send it out to Chrome. And it's just all the processes you got to go through to get all this together. This stuff will get you. What that is the line where the body trim goes down the side of the car. And underneath the body trim was old body putty and lots of rust. It was all blistered up under the trim. And I dug all of it out. I glass beaded all that line, and I've welded up the big holes, the remaining holes and stuff where the trim is, and pits. Now I've cleaned and took a black waffle wheel and grinded everything clean. We glass beaded everything clean, got everything roughed up real nice. And now I'm going to do leading, and I'm going to lead that seam, and that's going to take care of all the pits, and I'm going to get rid of that. That's still leaded in rough. Everything is right at this stage, and I'm going to take it out and finish media blasting all the other areas. So I'm going to do this side, and then I'm going to do the other one, and I'll show you both sides.
Why is it?
This is the tinning process that bonds the lead to the steel. Some people that, you got a different type of shop, you don't do this all the time. They use body putty on all these pits, and then they show back up after they sit out in the sun for a year. The body putty will shrink, pull in all that. A lot of times you have to go back and sand it down and repaint the area if it's done that way. And if you do it in lead, you got to clean it really, really well, work through it, but it's a very long-term process that fixes everything and gives it a very long-lasting bond and completion. of a repair. Takes a little bit more time, but it's 100% stronger. If you come in close, you'll see these big pits that I got in here. And I'm just going to take tinning butter and rub it into those. And I've already glass beat it and pulled it to give me a real nice coating over top of it. And where the holes are down through the trim, I ran a piece of paper on the inside down about 1 inch or 2, so it doesn't drip all over the inside too. I letted all that line, and I'm going to move on to the other side. You can see I filled in all the pitted areas. I'll go back and file it and clean it up, but it won't shrink or anything. It'll be solid for good. I can go back in the very end, prime it, and final block it, and it'll be sweet. Well, it's all been glass beaded again and cleaned after the quarters and lead work and everything. It's all been cleaned up real good, and getting ready to put a coat of primer on it. So just where the run across it's in the booth. Finally going to put it into a epoxy sealer, get her sealed. That's her. All right, I gotta get back at it. I'll spend probably 4 or 5 hours glass beating it, and another 3 or 4 hours just blowing all the glass and meat out of the cracks and crannies of the damn thing. And it just one of them processes.